Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. To succeed with CIPD assignments, it's crucial to understand their structure. Each assignment typically mirrors a formal business format, like reports with headings or essays with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. CIPD tasks are broken down into assessment criteria, ACs, and your writing should address each AC specifically and clearly. This ensures that you are responding directly to what the assessors are looking for. Using headings that align with the ACs, maintaining a logical flow, and referencing appropriately are all part of meeting expectations. It's also essential to show practical application. This means using workplace examples or real-world scenarios to back up your points. The goal is to demonstrate not just theoretical knowledge, but how you would apply it in real HR settings. Being clear, focused, and structured is what makes a CIPD submission successful. CIPD assignments are evaluated using clear marking criteria tied to learning outcomes, LOs, and assessment criteria, ACs. Understanding these criteria helps you tailor your answers to meet expectations. Markers look for evidence that you understand the topic and can apply concepts to practical HR scenarios. Structure and clarity of your work matter greatly, as well as appropriate referencing and academic writing style. Each criterion has weight, and missing even one AC could cost you significantly. Feedback from assessors is often mapped directly to these criteria, pointing out what was done well and what needs improvement. Before submitting, use the criteria as a checklist. Have you covered all ACs? Is your analysis deep and relevant? Addressing each requirement directly increases your chances of success. CIPD assignments must use the Harvard referencing style, which includes both in-text citations and a full reference list at the end. This style requires you to include the author's surname and the year of publication in the body of your text, e.g., Armstrong 2020. Each source cited must then appear in your reference list with full details. Using academic books, CIPD resources, and reputable journals is essential for credibility. Not only does accurate referencing support your arguments, but it also shows academic integrity. Incorrect or missing references can lead to penalties or even accusations of plagiarism. Always double-check your citations and format according to Harvard rules. Many universities and CIPD resources provide guides. Use them to avoid mistakes and secure better marks. Avoiding plagiarism is key to passing your CIPD assignments with integrity. Plagiarism isn't just about copying someone else's work. Failing to cite a source or over-relying on direct quotes can also be considered plagiarism. To avoid it, always express ideas in your own words while accurately referencing the original source. Use the Harvard referencing system for both in-text citations and the reference list. Make sure to paraphrase effectively and don't just swap out a few words. Genuinely interpret the idea in your own way. Before submission, it's helpful to use plagiarism detection software to check your work's originality. Maintaining academic honesty not only protects your grades, but also builds your credibility as a professional learner. Failing a CIPD assignment can be disappointing, but it's not the end. Resubmissions are part of the process, and many learners pass on their second try. The first step is to review the feedback from your tutor carefully. What criteria were not met? What points did the assessor highlight? Use this feedback as a roadmap to improve your work. Reach out to your tutor for clarification, attend workshops, or use additional study resources. Rewriting with focus on the assessment criteria and incorporating the suggestions made can dramatically increase your chances of passing. Treat it as a growth experience rather than a setback. Learning from mistakes and demonstrating improvement in your resubmission shows resilience and dedication, both key qualities in HR.